Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to basically set up or start creating your Shopify account. So first of all, go ahead to your app, so Google Play. And what you're going to do, you're going to just type right here, Shopify. All right, and basically what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and download and update the app, make it to the latest version. All right, so you can get access to all the new features. Go back to your screen, go ahead to your browser, and basically if you want to create a Shopify account, you could just go ahead and create an account, visit the websites Shopify's websites, and then click the start free trial button. Get familiar with the admin panel, choose the theme, add navigation to your theme, add products and product related content, set up payments and checkout, and then create your e-store pages, and then set up your shipping rates. And basically you're gonna follow along the on-screen instructions because they will ask you to do that as well. Okay, so as you can see right here, add the product and related content, and then you're gonna be able basically, if you scroll a little bit down right here, set up the payment and checkout. All right, and after you scroll a little bit down, create your e-stores pages, and basically they will show you how it's done. Set up a shipping rate. All right, add a shipping rate, click add rate to set a rate details, enter the name and the rate in the applicable shipping rate value. All right, and then set up the tax rate. If you're living in the US or Canada, you need to add that tax certification. All right, so you can basically apply with the US or Canada policies, and connect your domain by going to the settings and domains and buy new domain or connect existing domain. Test your Shopify store and basically launch. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you.